Hey guys, Diana here. So I'm going to talk really fast because I have a lot to cover in a very short amount of time. First and foremost, I got the rest of my stuff done today for dental. Yeah, I get my spacers in tomorrow. I'll be doing a video on that to tell you what I think of them, how much they suck, and all that good stuff. So let's see. Today I got my permanent crown in. Here's what it looks like. If you don't like teeth, don't look. This one here, I think it looks good. You can't tell when I smile. Then I'll be getting these babies fixed soon to fill in a couple gaps. I got that gap. I got that gap. Anyway, okay, so first things first, that was first. Second, last Tuesday, I got, when I went in to get the 4 fillings that I needed, the rest of them, that was by far the most painful appointment I had had since. I was in a lot of pain. I went home from work because I was just in too much pain. It was horrible. I had so many syringes because apparently one of the middle teeth that I had done has some nerves that go off into some freaking la-la land that's not with the other nerves. So when he numbed me, the tooth in front and the tooth behind it, they were numb. That tooth, not so much. It sucked. Anyway, so he numbed me up, and I had this terrible bruise from him numbing me, and it hurt, and I could barely open my jaw all weekend. It was horrible. Anyway, it's all done with the dentist. Thank you, Lord. Next, oh my gosh, Thursday, my husband had surgery to repair a hernia. And that was crazy. All started out well. Then he came home, he was sitting on the couch, we were chit-chatting, and then he goes, I feel really dizzy all of a sudden. And then I was like, oh, you're okay, babe. And I patted his leg. Next thing I know, his eyes are rolling in the back of his head, and then he passed out. I was like, oh my God. I was freaking out. I mean, I was trying to stay calm, but I freaked out. I grabbed my phone and I was trying to dial 911, and these fat little sausages here were pushing all these other buttons, so I kept having to backspace. Finally got a hold of 911. They need to have just an emergency button, right on your dialing pad. I guess they don't do that just in case people accidentally hit it all the time. But still, I was freaking, it was hard. When you're shaking really bad, it's not easy to dial a number. I mean, seriously, my head was fuzzy. I was scared he was going to die or something. I know it sounds so over dramatic, but unless it happens to you, I was all by myself with him, and it was really scary. One of the reasons it scared me the most is back when we were doing his immigration stuff, because he's not from here. He had passed out because he got 4 shots. He passed out and went into convulsions. We don't know if he had an allergic reaction or what it was, but the doctor, we were at a little clinic, had to call 911. That was scary when a doctor calls 911. So yeah, I was flashed back to that, oh my God, he's gonna go into convulsions, and oh, it was so scary. It was horrible. So I call my boss and I'm like, I can't leave my husband alone tomorrow. So I've been his slave, literally. Everything he needs, I had to get. Coffee, ice packs, I had to walk him to the bathroom, just everything. And then on top of that, we have 3 foster kids, 2 4-year-olds and a 10-month-old that I've been having to deal with by myself. Oh my God, I just want, if you didn't see that. Anyway, honestly though, I would do anything for him, so it's not as bad. It's a little overwhelming, it is, and I think it mainly is because of the kids, because I'm not only taking care of these 3 kids under 5 years old, but I'm taking care of him as well, and it's a lot. It's basically like taking care of 4 kids, except I don't have to discipline him. It's just, yeah, crazy. Next, oh my God, so over the weekend with all this drama and pain and just everything going on, I did not eat that well. I'm so sad. I had pizza. I had bratwurst. I could have been better. I had some candy. And let me just show you what the cause, or not what the cause, what the damages were because of that. Look at this. I broke out on my forehead. Or not my forehead. I'm fucking retarded. On the side of my face right here. On the side of my head, basically. Totally broke out. Yeah, so whatever. And then I noticed my nose was getting slightly red, and what they had me doing was like sticking my nose in a cup of salt water and like blowing bubbles. I don't think that was working very well. So I actually cut up a large cotton ball into 4 pieces and stuck like soaked it in the salt water and then stuck it up my nose. And then stuck the second piece in and then laid it over the top and left it on there for like 5 or 10 minutes twice this morning, and it really helped. Not only did it clean out like a bunch of gunk that was up there, like, because I think you get a lot of like mucus and stuff like when you first pierce it because it's not used to it and the boogers are getting caught. I know that sounds so gross, but it like all gets caught up there. And so when I stuck the warm salt water up there and let it just sit, it got all soggy and it pulled it all out. I know that's gross. Sorry for talking about that. Anyway, so I'm back at work. I've never been so excited to be back at work before. Oh my God. Yeah. So I think I already said I get my braces, my spacers tomorrow. I'll be doing a video. I get my braces on the 16th. Ooh, ooh. It's like 16 days from today. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, oh. Okay, I'm a freaking nerd. But I'm cool like that. I'm a cool nerd. I've never seen someone use a weed eater like that before. He was like, vroom! Anyway. That's all I got for you guys. 7.5 minutes of me and like 5 subjects. Spacers, dental work, husband, my eating habits, and I'm pretty sure there was something else, but I can't think of it. Maybe it was 4 things. I can't count. That's it. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Toodaloo.